Be ready. Start. This appeal arises out of the judgment passed by the High Court of Rajasthan at Jaipur bench in and by which the High Court has allowed the application filed by the respondent under Section 11 and Section 15 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, thereby appointing retired district judge as the sole arbitrator to resolve the dispute between the parties. Stop. Brief facts which led to filing of this appeal are as under. Stop. The appellant Rajasthan Small Industries Corporation Limited invited tender for handling and road transportation of containers and cargo between inland container depots at Jaipur. Stop. Respondent contractor participated in the said tender and letter of intent was issued in favor of the respondent contractor. Stop. The agreement was executed between the parties. Stop. Initially, the contract period was of 3 years, but it was extended for another 2 years by consent of both the parties. Stop. Dispute arose between the parties regarding imposition of transit penalty by the appellant upon the respondent for delay in transportation of containers, non-payment of handling charges of containers for various period of time, and several other disputes. Stop. The term of the contract provided for arbitration by the managing director himself or his or her nominee for the sole arbitration. Stop. The respondent contractor requested for appointment of the arbitrator in terms of clause 4. Stop. One IAS officer was appointed as the sole arbitrator. Stop. Since the progress of the sole arbitrator was not satisfactory in disposing the matter, the said sole arbitrator was removed and in his place chairman cum managing director of the appellant corporation was appointed to act as the sole arbitrator by the consent of both the parties. Stop. For one reason or other, the arbitration proceedings could not be concluded. Stop. According to the appellant, the matter was adjourned repeatedly. Wide orders of the arbitral tribunal as no one appeared on behalf of the respondent contractor. Stop. On 16th March 2010, the respondent raised its doubts regarding impartiality of the newly appointed sole arbitrator. Stop. The sole arbitrator passed the order stating that the agreement Clause 4 provides for arbitration by the chairman cum managing director of the corporation or his nominee, and that only at the joint request of both the parties the chairman cum managing director has taken up the arbitration to resolve the dispute between the parties. Stop. The proceedings further continued, fixing date of hearing on various dates. Stop. On 7th February 2013, the respondent contractor sent a legal notice to the appellant stating that even after so many requests, the sole arbitrator has not passed the award and called upon the appellant to pay the amount of rupees 3 lakhs said to have been settled along with the statutory interest within 1 month. Stop. The appellant sent a reply stating that since the chairman cum managing director has been transferred, award could not be passed and there is no question of payment to the respondent contractor. Stop. The respondent contractor filed an application under section 11 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 before the High Court seeking for appointment of an independent arbitrator for adjudication of dispute between the appellant and the respondent in respect of agreement. Stop.